Press and hold the program button for 3 seconds. Create a new program. Click the Move L button. Insert transition point motion command. By pressing the drag button, the robot enters drag mode. Move the rocker. Finally adjust the position and attitude of the torch. Adjust the torch to the right position. Click the Move L button to insert the arcing point motion command. Click the Welding button. The welding instruction interface appears. Adjust the appropriate welding current and voltage by increasing plus and decreasing buttons. Click Shift button to confirm welding current and welding voltage. Click Shift button again to confirm the welding speed. Finally, insert the arcing command. Once you drag it into place, click the Move L button. Insert the extinguishing point motion command. Press the Shift button. Click the Welding button. Insert the extinguishing command. Once you drag it into place, click the Move L button. Insert transition point motion command. Click the Start Stop button. The robot enters the reproducible run program mode. Run welding program. More details, please scan the code.